Welcome to Cooking in the Kitchen with Mariah, Episode 1, Season 1. First and foremost, I want to thank all the students that encouraged me to put on this YouTube channel. If you like what you see, be sure to hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Alright gang, so for the first episode, I figured we would start with a classic New York dish, a New York pizza. Homemade by me, Mariah. First things first, let's talk about prepping the kitchen. So the most important thing that you have to do is preheat the oven. This oven is so annoying. To 350 degrees. Now, if you have a pizza stone at home, I highly recommend using it because you're going to preheat it first. That's going to give you that nice crispy bottom like you get at a real pizzeria. If you don't, stick to a standard cookie sheet. Now I'm going to throw the pizza stone in the oven. If you're working with the cookie sheet, don't throw it into the oven ahead of time. Just leave it out, roll the dough out on it, just kind of do it live. But for right now, let's throw that pizza stone in the oven. Get that nice and heated. Now let's take a look at the ingredients. All right, first and most importantly, we got to start off with some flour and some yeast. Definitely essential for a good New York pie. Now, if you're trying to be healthier, you could use a whole wheat flour, but like if you're trying to be healthier, you probably shouldn't be eating pizza. Moving down the line, we have our cheese grater. You could also just chop it up with a knife, that's fine. I got a little pre-shredded mozzarella cheese as well as some Parmesan. I like to do a mix of the two of them. That's kind of up to you. You do your own thing on the cheese if you don't have those two cheeses. You're going to need 2 cans of one can of diced tomato, 1 can of crushed tomato, a full onion, 1 clove of garlic. You could use garlic powder, but like, let's be real, let's use the fresh stuff. Some olive oil, basil, oregano, and salt. Okay, next, you're going to come over here with me. We're going to open up our web browser. Just get all logged in there. Open up this web browser to Domino's.com. Pull up Domino's. Plug in whatever kind of pizza you want. And now don't go sleeping on those pizza points either, because that's how you get the free pie. Make sure you log in to get the pizza points. Custom make whatever kind of pizza you want with all of the options that they have, and get it delivered to your apartment.